Can someone outside China make money from Bilibili? This is one of the biggest questions international creators have, and there is an important distinction you need to understand. Bilibili has a huge Chinese ecosystem, while it also operates international-facing services and works with creators from different countries. But eligibility for specific monetization programs can depend on your account, region, and the program you're applying for. So don't assume that creating an account automatically means you can withdraw creator earnings. The safest approach is to check the monetization options available directly inside your Creator Center. And that's exactly what I'm doing. I'm testing Bilibili from outside China and documenting what features become available as the account grows. Instead of telling you that everyone can make money, I'm going to test it with a real account, level by level, video by video. And if the monetization option becomes available, I'll show you exactly what happens. So if you're interested in making money from international platforms, follow the journey, because this experiment is just getting started.